What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that I haven't been uploading for a few months now. Maybe you can't hear me, but I'm going to try. Fuck you! Anyways, I know that I haven't been uploading for a while, but we're back with E36, we're back with the vlogs. And today we're going to be installing E46 rear upward control arms. I'm going to explain in a while what exactly this does to the car, and now we're going to start with actually assembling the car in a parking lot because I'm not in Sofia and I don't have my garage. And yeah, let's get with it. Car, so we need to jack up the car, and we're going to proceed with changing this side. Okay, so we need to unbolt this, then we need to unbolt it from way in there, subframe. I am not going to bother you with this, and I'm just going to explain you why I'm doing this shit. Okay, so the E46 control arms are about 5 to 10 millimeters longer than the E36 ones. The other thing is that they have slightly bit of a difference in the geometry, and as you can see they have a small kink, and the spring also sits flush when your car is lowered. Whether with the E36 control arms, it gets to the one side and it basically pinches it, making it not work properly. The other thing is that they're lighter. They're 500 grams lighter on side, so this makes about 1 kilogram of unsprung weight. This is basically weight from the special components, which is always better. So as I stated in the video that we made with Jigita, I am doing a giveaway, and we are giving away this shift knob, new chrome shift knob. It has multiple thread patterns, so you can use it in whichever car you like. What you need to do to enter the giveaway is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on this video, comment on my latest Instagram post. This will automatically get you into the giveaway. And yeah, I'm going to draw the winner of the shift knob this Wednesday at 10 p.m. I'm going to upload a post on Instagram. Let's now continue with installing the control arms of the car and see what difference it's going to make. Much nicer piece, much nicer. The pushing is good and everything. Okay, now comes the easy part, which is holding this into there. And yeah, there is only one shitty thing, that this needs to go in between the subframe and the body of the car. But my genius, actually my girlfriend's genius, have come up with this. It fits right in. You put it in there, you tighten, and you just pull. The electric tape peels off, and voila, So yeah, I'll get going with this. So first we're going to place here. I think that my subframe might push down with the right hand. Okay, so this is all bolted up now, and I'm going to have to, one moment, I'm going to have to bolt up the differential now. So everything is bolted up. Now I just need to put back my wheel, and we're fucking meant. Nice. It just gotta settle a bit, and we're going to see how it's going to be looking after that. If you have reached this point, I just want to say that you're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching, and as a bonus, here are some drifting clips. Like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.